This is the Sports Cub by VolantexRC. Let's open up the package and see. The VolantexRC Sports Cub comes in the 500mm size in red and blue color. I got mine in the red color. As I'm opening the box, I realized I'm opening it upside down, so I flipped the box over and opened it up. This plane comes in the ready-to-fly condition, which means you have all the gear right out of the box to get started. So that was the landing gear. In this bag, I have the battery, the charger, and in this bag, I have two propellers. Not one, but two. I'm going to get the plane up by removing some of the foam that's holding it in place. Once I get it up, I'm also going to get out the transmitter. This one does come with 3 modes: beginner, middle, and expert. The battery hatch is present on the bottom, which takes a 1S LiPo battery with a capacity of 400 milliamps. It has a quick manual on showing us how to set up the gyro and resetting the gyro. And the transmitter needs 4 AA batteries, which I quickly grab and I'm installing right now. I'm going to take the landing gear and insert it in. It goes right behind the battery hatch and clips into place. And now we can take the battery and plug it in. The wire was sunk in, so I had to use my pliers to get it out. And then I grabbed the battery and I plugged it in. Now when I'm out, I realized this plane is now very big, 500 millimeters, but here is the flight. It takes off super easy. This was with a lot of wind. Took a nice round. And I crashed it, and that was the landing gear coming off. Now in this one I hand launched it, took off super easily. It was a little windy, so it stalled for a second right there before gliding back into the grass nose first. This RC plane is super cool. I hope you like this video, and there's a lot more content coming up. Stay tuned and stay awesome.